कैसे लेना सारे चीजें खराब हो गए तो क्या हुआ? मोहब्बत में शर्तें नहीं होती तो अफसोस भी नहीं होना चाहिए. You, Me and Cooking episode 2.4. So today we are going to make rose jelly. Well, the idea of giving simple rose to your partner has become so hackneyed that crazy people like me are going to invent new techniques to give rose to your loved ones this Valentine's Day. Yeah, I have never cooked these dishes, but that's never stopped me before. So why would it stop me now? In case you're new here, my name is Czzlina. Raspelina. Let's keep these roses here for aesthetic purposes. So I have never made jelly in my life, but that never stopped me before. So I hope this will be a quick one. That's exactly why I'm making it. I'm just fed up of making complicated and big dishes. You guys don't watch my videos anyways. So let's boil this water first. I took 1 liter water in this pot. Well, I definitely tasted half liter water in these jelly molds. These are multi-purpose silicone molds. You can use it for anything, even to mold people. You can't do that, sadly. These roses are beautiful, Mughal Azam. Let me just audition all these roses.
अरे जसं रोज आहे तसं घाल ना रे मॅडम. काय त्याचं पण ऑडिशन घेते किती सिलेक्टिव्ह आहे ना ओसीडी.
Well, some people have choice, unlike you. I am going to take one rose and make sure to chop it from here. Because if you chop it from here, then all the petals are going to unravel themselves.
आणि आपल्याला काही गालीच्या नाही करायचे.
But just to be safe, let's remove these green parts so that we don't scare off people.
किडा 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 जेलीमध्ये.
Like this. I'm just keeping them here temporarily. We are definitely going to wash the roses. You wish. Let it boil a bit. It's making a very nasty noise. But at this point, I've just learned to ignore stuff. And ignorance is truly a bliss. So let's add 6 teaspoons of unflavored, uncolored gelatin powder. Well, you can use ready jelly mix, but we are going to add our own flavors. असा घरचा तडका घालायचा. And this is our water from deviled egg, guys. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pomegranate and beetroot juice. You must know how to utilize one ingredient multiple times. So I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. And since we are making rose jelly, I'm going to add just one drop this time, unlike motichur laddu. But these roses doesn't smell like anything. Unlike our Indian roses, yeah, they truly smell amazing. Just a pinch of chia seeds. असं थोडी नजर नको ना लागायला त्याच्यासाठी. Now let me just get done with roses quickly because I don't know how this jelly stuff works. So yeah, if this works, I deserve a trophy. Oh my god, the kitchen is smelling so nice with rose smell.
अरे अप्पी तुझी सोंड लांब्यामध्ये जास्त वास येतो का? मला तर काहीच वास नाही येते.
I went to the florist and I became so happy after looking at all those flowers. Okay, just look at me. I clearly like floral stuff. And please keep your roses upside down. Don't keep them like this, like a Dumbo. That's going to wobble and topple everywhere. Flower is floating, definitely. So little bit of physics that I studied in my school days is finally coming to my aid. It is. And without fail, just wipe off all the water from top of your mold because you don't know which one is plain water and which one is jelly water. If this works out, the ending will be worth it. And we are definitely getting our devil water. Let's keep devil water here. Hey, you can just do anything, any kind of DIY with your jellies. Just need to have creativity, like me. And let's add half teaspoon of this deviled egg syrup. Just add half teaspoon because I don't think that's going to ruin the proportion of jelly water in any way. Then again, I'm not an expert, guys. We'll see how it turns out. देख लेंगे. See, I just have this water handy. What am I going to do with it? Now I'm going to definitely refrigerate this once overnight because of that additional water. These jellies are going to take longer to settle. Then again, be mindful of wiping off all the excess water unless you're 100% sure that you poured the jelly water in perfectly, which is humanly impossible. So let's use rest of these mulberries or blackberries. Oh my god, madam, you don't even know what berries you bought.
अरे मेडी मी नेम मॅडम आपली मेडी.
You can add whole mulberry in, but that's going to scare off many people. Like this. So now I'm going to definitely chill them overnight for sure. These are our overnight set rose jellies. Well, I removed one for the tasting purpose and it failed miserably. So I looked up how to remove the set jelly out of mold and I'm going to try that method but with Czzlina twist. So what I'm going to do is keep this chopping board on top of it. They have dropped but they have become more liquidy. So there is my jelly process, guys. Flip it confidently. Yeah, let's make a pink food paddle. Who cares?
Making rose jelly
Take 2. I'm going to add just 1/12 teaspoon of pink food color. Or should I put them in like this? Perhaps that's the way to go. Gosh, these flowers just won't sink in. So it's been an eternity and our road jellies are completely set for weeks. And you wouldn't believe what happened to the jelly that was disfigured. See, I made a whole new dish out of that too. Am I not a genius? I have here smoking hot water. Well, I almost forgot my pretty accessory. I have to be a cute little cupid because I'm not stupid. Whatever. That's center. And that's exactly what I wanted for my jelly. Oh, I did it. I did it. Take a picture. Take a picture, baby. And we have successfully finished our rose jelly. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to You, Me, and Cooking. See you next time.